Imagine this. You're accused of breaking the rules in a game you didn't even know you were playing. Sounds unfair, right? Well, this is the storm brewing in Jamaica as Prime Minister Andrew Holness once again locks horns with the Integrity Commission. But is this about justice, politics, or something else entirely? Let's explore. Jamaica's Integrity Commission recently dropped a bombshell. Allegations tying the Prime Minister to a high-end residential development in St. Andrew. They claim Estatebridge Holdings Limited, the company behind the project, breached building permit conditions, and somehow Holness is allegedly linked to it. But the Prime Minister has categorically denied any connection to the company, its property, or its dealings. He's even roped in his lawyers to review the Commission's findings. His take? The report reeks of a targeted attack. And if you're thinking, haven't I heard this before? You're right. This isn't his first tango with the Integrity Commission. This spat feels eerily familiar. Just a few months back, Holness faced allegations over discrepancies in his financial declarations. The Integrity Commission couldn't confirm or deny his compliance, leaving a cloud of suspicion hanging over him. In fact, Prime Minister Holness has been granted permission for a judicial review to invalidate 2 Integrity Commission reports questioning his statutory declarations and financial dealings. The court ruled he met the threshold to challenge the reports due to their potential adverse impact on his rights, but denied his bid to compel the Commission to certify his 2022 and 2023 declarations. Fast forward to today, and we're seeing yet another public showdown. But is this about governance, or is it personal? Before we answer that, let's talk about the other players in this saga, Estatebridge Holdings. The directors of Estatebridge aren't holding back. Their defense? The Integrity Commission has it all wrong. They insist the construction is fully compliant and that room counts meet the approved plans. Any observed differences, they argue, are typical tweaks during construction, not outright breaches. But here's where it gets juicier. Estatebridge accuses the Commission of bad timing, claiming the report coincides suspiciously with their own legal battles against the Commission. Coincidence or calculated move? You decide. What does this mean for Jamaica? This isn't just a legal squabble, it's a reflection of something deeper. The Integrity Commission plays a vital role in holding leaders accountable. But when its actions are repeatedly questioned, it raises doubts about whether the watchdog is being weaponized or simply doing its job. Now, here's something you might not know. 1. Jamaica's Integrity Commission has faced criticism before for its alleged lack of transparency. 2. This marks the second time in under a year that Prime Minister Holness has called in his legal team against the Commission, a rare move for a sitting leader. Is this just another chapter in Jamaica's political drama, or are we witnessing a pivotal moment for accountability in governance? One thing is certain: trust in leadership and institutions is at stake. So, what do you think? Is the Integrity Commission shining a light on real issues, or is this a vendetta against the Prime Minister? Share your thoughts below. If you found this eye-opening, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you're hungry for more stories like this, stay tuned. We've got plenty more in store.